Ted. Nice bit.
Yeah, it's been good. I think obviously getting the boys back, 5 weeks off. It's a bit of a weird pre-season in all honesty because of the long time of it. October start, obviously new RC, so it's about managing and periodising it really. So we're in for 2 weeks, so we'll have a bit of a break after today, and then we'll come back for a 3-week block, which will have another break after that, and then for the long period after that, then into game time, leading into obviously the Barbarians game and the 2 friendlies we have after that.
Everyone good? Everyone happy? Very similar layout to what we did on Monday. When we come into our off-week con, we've got 4 stations, no more than 4 per group.
Everyone's been good. You know, I think it's been a bit of an easy intro the last couple of weeks really. The boys have trained hard, but you know, in terms of getting used to rugby patterns and stuff, it hasn't been as intense or that yet. So we'll move on to that now in block 2. But no, the boys have fitted in really well. I think it's always good to get together. We've got a good group here. A lot of the young boys coming through as well from the senior academy up with us as well. So it's been a good blend.
Not in the front yet. Nice and explosive.
No, obviously the recruitment to be done. We obviously announced sort of 15-16 departures as well. So look, we're not going to get 15 new signings, but it was important for us to build on the quality we have, and also with an eye to the future as well. We've signed some players who we feel have a lot of potential, and ones who will fit the type of game model we want to play. So I think, obviously that was really important. The recruitment, we've spoken a lot about building sort of the next generation really of Scarlets coming through, and we've been fortunate as well to have a lot of them included in the Wales squad, some of the young boys who stepped up, and obviously the new signings will add quality to that as well. Big block coming ahead now this next 3 weeks, so looking forward to that big rugby detail, and then when we come back from that second block, it's pretty much into games. So as much as we had sort of started the last week, we had 17 weeks before the first game, which is an enormous amount of time. I'm sure once the third block and when we get into end of August, September, those games will come because we've got pre-season friendlies, we've got a camp to go to Aberystwyth as well. So looking forward to that. So it's exciting really. I think new coaches have been good. So I think it's important that there's a new blend of coaches here as well, and a new mix to get to know each other, etc. So I think having this sort of period now has really helped that. Looking forward to what's coming.
Here you go, back on there! Go!